Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this video, we'll discuss about the fabrication feature of Revit. What are the uses of that portion and how we can use that one in Revit. So first of all, I'll give you a brief about fabrication part of Revit. When we'll create a duct or pipe in Revit, it will not gives us kind of feature or kind of option so that we can automatically cut the particular pipe or duct in a particular length, right? We need to manually slice or we need to use the dynamo for that one. But the fabrication feature of Revit allows us to cut a proper full duct network or pipe network in a particular length, so that when it will go for the fabrication site, then the BOQ after creating the model from Revit fabrication, what I'm talking about, that the BOQ will be exact as the practical fabrication site. Okay, so they can directly slice their duct portion in that particular length or the pipe one in that particular length only, so that it will help us to reduce the waste of the material. Okay, so the let's see how we can use that portion in Revit. Right now, if I'll go in Systems tab, right there we have one option, fabrication part. If I click on that one, this kind of dialog box will be open. There are three options. First one is service, group, and the third one is settings. So if I click on setting, this kind of dialog box will be open. There are two tabs are right there. First one is fabrication configuration. Second one is connection indicators. Connection indicators are just for indicating the colors, those kind of things. We can also change those colors if you want to. If you are not feasible or you are not okay with these kind of colors, then we can change that. Okay, but that's not the bigger concern. Bigger point is fabrication configuration. So if I click on that one, there are two options. First one is fabrication configuration, second one is fabrication profiles. Okay, if I'll drop it down, there are two options that I have. First one is MEP imperial content, second one is imperial metric content. Imperial metric, we all know that those are units only. The content will be same. Okay, so if your project is an imperial unit, then you can go with this one. If your project is in metric units, then you should go with this one. Right now I'm going with metric content. Okay, and there is option of fabrication profiles as well. If you have multiple profiles, then you can select. Right now I do not have that one, so I'm just going with global only. Okay, now there are two more options, as you can see right there, services and parts. These all are services, like you can see ductwork. So all these are from HVAC duct, if I'll talk about, and these are electrical, these are for piping. Okay, so you can add, like right now I'm adding all by pressing Ctrl A, and I'll add all these to be loaded services, so that we can see those ones and right here in this tab, what we can say. Now the second one is parts. Parts are very very in depth, so I'll add some parts. Cable ladders, let's see, tray, door, 3 vents, I'll add right there so that we can see that one in Revit. Okay, so yeah, I'll add these three. If I'll click on OK, it'll take a little bit time to load this one, and then we'll model something in Revit, and let's see how we can use the fabrication feature of Revit now while we are modeling. Modeling is the same as we normally model in Revit, but there will be some additional features that allows us to do some automation kind of thing. Not the automation, I'll say some actual practical things we can do with this one. Okay, suppose I want to create a what we can say duct network. So I'll select the square elbow, any vent or any duct if you want to go with this. Right now I'm going with this one. If I click right there and press escape, now I'll select this one, right click on this, that we normally do in Revit, right? But right now this option, when I want to create a duct from right there in normal Revit, it will show us to, I think, create duct, something like that. Right now it shows multi-point routing. So if I click on that one, We'll create a duct network, as you can see, and you can see right there, this is the duct. You can change that one if you want to change to something else, but right now I'm going with this one only. So I'll create a duct, and this is same as in Revit. Okay, there's nothing new. What is the new in that one? Right now you can see Revit does not allow us to cut any duct element in a proper length. Okay, but right now we have some automation thing. Right now in properties, I selected this ducts. In properties, you can see length option. If I click on auto, it will automatically reduce the length in the actual segment, that is 1404. Right now the length is 1404 for this duct, but we do not want that one, so I'll press Ctrl Z. I want that the total length of the duct will be this one, 13,600, but this should be, you know, sliced in this particular length for 1404. How I can do that thing? I'll simply tap the network. Right now you can see optimize lengths option. Click on that one, and you can see now that each and every duct has cut in 1404, like the actual practice that we normally do. It will do like that only. Okay, the same thing we can apply for pipes as well. Right now if I'll go for the pipes, if you want to go for the pipes, you should change the service for that one. So I'll go with you know, pipes, any pipe we can go with it. Suppose I'll go with you know, PVC C40. Now right now there are a lot of options to create the pipe. I'll go with yeah, I'll go with this band only, and wait right there, and I'll zoom in a bit. If I click on the pipe, we need to see which is the standard length for this one. The same. Okay, I'll create the pipe. Let me, okay, I'll create one single. Let me, yeah. So I'll create this one only. If I'll tap, simply I'll go for this one. Now you can see it has cut this pipe in proper length, that is 5,000. Okay, and it will be 5,000 or less than 5,000. It matters. Like I guess we have created this duct. Oh yeah, you can see now the value is changed. It means this length was 8,884 earlier. Now let's change. The same thing has happened with this one also. So that is how we can you know, slice each and every element in a proper length that is available in the market. Okay, and if we'll create the BOQ, it will create the proper BOQ with the coupling, those kind of things as well. Okay, so but that's not only the feature of this one. Now suppose if I'll create one pipe from right there, this one, and you know, one pipe I'll create from right there. Okay, I'll delete this portion also. Yeah, these are two open-ended portions of the pipes. Okay, if I select one pipe, you can see right there route and fill. If I click on that one, and I'll click on the one end of the pipe and second end on the pipe, it will automatically allow me or give me the feature to route this particular portion. As you can see right now, it's showing me that this network will be connected by this one. Okay, this dark one will be created new one, but there is one more option, and this those are using the coupling, but right now I'll not go with the coupling, so I'll go with the straight one. So I'll click on yes, and it will be connected properly. So that's also one more feature that we have in this one. Now we have edit part option also right there. You can see the value length we can also change from right there. Those kind of options are right there. So that is very basic and common feature of fabrication that helps us to, you know, mainly to cut the length of any element in a proper way. So thanks all guys for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.